Well, looks like we're going to have to take the other trailhead because this is indicating that the bridge is out. So it says to use the other trail to get in here. So I guess we got to head west. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's all coming from the direction of the pond. So I hear lots of birds, at least Canadian geese. I'm not sure who's tweeting away out there. Might have to break out the Audubon bird app, the Merlin app. It's a good app to get, by the way, and uses the microphone in your phone. And I mean, I've been in very noisy environments, and that just picks up on all these bird calls, and it'll tell you, oh well, see a whole bunch of probably brown thrashers all up through here. I think it's going to be a good day, guys. Very happy, joy. But that Merlin app is really nice because it will listen to all these bird calls and then give you a list of these birds that it believes is associated with those calls, and I have to say it's pretty darn accurate. They are just jabbering away. So anyways, you've got this kind of like a berm right here with this service road, and then it drops down on either side. There's a pond down there, and there is a trail to get down there. I think we may hit that first. See what those geeses are doing. Gooses? Geeses? Yeah. So I think that'll be our first stop on this. So it's a little walk down this way, and then the trail will go down the side here and then weave in between those trees. As a matter of fact, the last time I was here, I caught a deer down on that side there and spooked him. He took off running in that direction. So hey, you just never know. Well, I had to go ahead and dress down because it's definitely warmed up, and I had to get that jacket off. So I've made it to this trail on the other side of that access road, and now I'm just kind of working my way to where all these geese were being pretty vocal. So there's two of them right there. I believe from looking up on top of the berm, there's about 4 of them. I'm sure they've probably heard me, so we'll just sneak around this little area here. Looks like somebody got a boat up there on the side, probably owned by the city. I say goodbye to the Canadian geese. I'm on my way back to the initial trailhead, and that will start us on the lake loop. And I happened to meet a gentleman that was working to keep these paths clear, and he said that he'd seen some ducks out on the lake, so that's a good sign. But I'm thankful for the geese. They were very cooperative as I skirted the, oops, snagged on, I'll leave them there. But they were very patient with me as I took some photos of them as they went about their business. And now we'll see what we find out at the lake. Now we're coming to the first of the bird blinds that they have here that circles this lake. These were put up because of the number of birds that they seasonally get on this lake. The frogs are out. Well, this is the second day bird blind, because it seems like when I was in the first one, all the ducks that are out there decided to come over this side of the lake. So I tricked it on over here, did some shooting out of this bird blind here, and I think I got some good shots of the bullhead duck. I'm looking at a chart here that they have inside the blind that talks about all the ducks that they get here, and the hooded merganser duck. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll correct that in the video. But there's several different species of ducks out there, and it's going on 2:13 now. So I think I'm gonna call it quits here at the lake, and then, like I said, I'm gonna go over to the creek line and just kind of walk that, because I did see a hawk over there. It'd be nice to get a hawk, whether he's up in the tree or even in flight. That will complete out today, but we're going to stop and eat a little bit of lunch, and then we'll pack it up and head on over to the Creekline Trail. All right, well, it's getting kind of late, and I still want to cover that Creekline Trail, which is right across the road from here. So I lightened up the load, went ahead and go with a 17 to 70, you know, just to maybe catch some photos that we'll see on that trail there. But it's a real fast trail. It's only 0.8 miles, so just got to get across the road there. That's going to be the tricky part this time of day on a Monday. So anyways, onward and upward. Very well maintained little trail here. I'm not sure how new it is. I really haven't done that much research in it, but so they've got the trailhead there that's right across from the wood duck preserve, and then it winds around here for 0.8 miles to another trailhead that there's another little parking lot off of Waverly Road, Waverly Boulevard. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but then there's a trailhead there, and then they have trash cans at each of the trailheads. So they have posted signs, you know, about people leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but pictures. I check off both of those boxes, and of course I had my lunch and I carry everything out with me. So just a nice meandering path. As you can see, it is fully paved from trailhead to trailhead. This is a great place just for taking a walk. And I understand that there is a community group that actually either put this together or they're the ones that are keeping it up. But yeah, on a day like today, you just can't pass up things like this. Boy, the crows are all over the place here. I don't know if you can hear them, but it's getting late in the day. This is just such a nice walk. Good exercise. I'm kind of think that these crows may be following me. If something happens, let this be my journal. So the crows, there's lots of them. If I fail to return and that somebody finds this recording, look at the crows. So this is basically midpoint on the Creekline Trail. So, I mean, how nice is this? I mean, a complete picnic area. They actually have steps that go down to the creek, so you know, kids can play in the bank. I mean, I imagine in the summer that water be quite inviting, you know, swim trunks or something like that. Check out, it seems like there's constant water flow through that creek. It's got maybe some tannins in it, but for the most part, it's pretty clear. So a couple of picnic tables, you got benches, and then over here, I'll swing the camera over, they've got swinging benches. And there's some other swinging benches down towards the trailhead. I mean, and as I understand, this trail is not done yet. So it's more work in progress. I really appreciate the city of Opelika that we have the wood duck preserve, and this trail here, and then of course in the city of Auburn they have several other parks with walking trails in them. I mean, you just you can't beat it to get out on a day like this and enjoy nature and some good exercise. Well, there you go. We have finished the 0.8 miles of the Creekline Trail. It ends here. This is the other trailhead. Up here there's a parking lot, and they've got a trail map there to let people know. Very well maintained. I've spoken to several of the volunteers that keep up this park. They are top-notch, super people. So I tell you what, if you're in the area and you just want to take a little walkabout, the Creekline Trail is definitely the way to do it, So 0.8 miles one way, 0.8 miles the other way, and you've got a good exercise walk in there. So anyways, I'm going to call it a day. Going to head on back to the truck now and get on home. So anyways, thanks for coming along, and I'll get everything posted up, get the pictures going. I plan on coming back to do definitely some more photography. I was basically scoping out some other areas that when the sun is just right, they look like they're going to be some great pictures. So carry on, have a good day.